By clicking on the second icon, we will have access to the sketch mode. The sketch is the 2D shape that will be used to create a building. We have several options at our disposal. We can select and drag one of the preset shapes into the scene, or we can create it freehand. It will be sufficient to indicate the vertices of the building and create the perimeter. By pressing the Ctrl key, we will activate the orthogonal line, so it will be easier to make 90 degrees angles. To close the shape, just press the right mouse button. In the menu, we find all the tools related to the sketches created. We have the Translate command, which allows us to move the shape along the two axes, or, by taking it by the center, we can move it in total freedom. The cursor can always be positioned at the center of the shape, or at one of the vertices, by simply clicking near them. Then there is the Copy command, which allows us to duplicate a shape, with the same principles described above. Then we have the Rotate command, with which we can rotate the shape, so as to align it with the building of our interest. We then have the option to hide and reveal the selected sketch. Finally, we can obviously decide to delete it by clicking on the trash bin, or with the Delete key on the keyboard. Each shape can be edited more. We have the possibility to move every side of the sketch, and, in the same way, every vertex. We can also add new vertices, move them, or delete them. Another, very important, option we have available is the ability to enter the correct dimensions of each side. Finally, if we are using the grid, we can decide to activate grid snaps. In this way, we will be able to draw freehand shapes while always remaining anchored on the grid points.